Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So friends, if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. Our mission at Designing with Latisha McKinney is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you like what you see, we would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time we upload, you will be the first to know. Hello my beautiful friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with me. So this is what I'm working on tonight. I just changed out on this 3-tier stand. I just want to change some things out, place in some beautiful little sparkly pine cones. And you can see these taper stands in the back. These are so beautiful. A friend from Hobby Lobby gifted me with those, so thank you so much, girl. These are so beautiful. You know a DIY is coming. So I just want you guys to see how these pine cones looked on here. These are so beautiful. Now, if you remember that DIY we just did the other day, I was telling you about this DIY that I did. Okay, so right here by this reindeer, I wanted to place this jar over there because I think it would look absolutely beautiful. But remember, I am just trying to see what I am going to do with this tablescape. So I'm just working with some things. I love these poinsettias on here. So beautiful. Love it. And Nally from Totally Dazzle gifted us with these beautiful napkin rings. So I want you guys to look at this. These are so beautiful. Of course, you guys know I placed some brooches on there. So this is absolutely stunning. Thank you so much, Natalie. So that wraps it up for this video for tonight. I just want to share with you guys what I am doing so far. Thank you so much for tuning back in with me. Merry Christmas, team. And guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.